Hello, my name is Mushtaba Thamer. I'm a Forex Optimum broker financial analyst, and I'm here to bring you the most recent news in the financial market. US lawmakers failed to accord the new economy stimulus package before the deadline. The US President Donald Trump signed 4 executive orders to extend unemployment benefits and the new payroll tax cut bill. On the other hand, Nancy Pelosi, the House of Representatives Speaker and the leader of the Democrats in the Congress, together with the U.S. Secretary of Treasury Steven Mnuchin, declared that they are ready to continue the dialogue upon this package. However, market participants were not really disappointed with a blind ally in the negotiations, as they believed the agreement would be reached sooner or later. Investors keep an eye on the US-China relations as the new spin in those relations were promoted by the US administration that imposed sanctions against Chief Executive of Hong Kong, Carrie Lam, and some other officials, due to their role in the restriction political freedom. China has imposed sanctions on 11 Americans, including Republican Senators Ted Cruz, Marco Rubio, Joe Hawley, and Pat Toomey. The Republican Representative Chris Smith, US and China are heading for the negotiation of those one trade deal implementation to be conducted August 15. Market may rally this week with a careful eye to trade negotiations, and having a look into the S&P 500, broad market index is still targeting historical heights of 3393.52 points. The demand for safe haven assets, including US Treasuries, is strengthening. The yield for the 10-year benchmark Treasury is hovering around 0.56%. Looking at the gold here, gold is trading around $20-30 per troy ounce. We should not exclude correction of gold prices to $1950 per troy ounce this week. Moving on to crude prices may continue to climb this week if crude reverse in the US will perform another decline on Wednesday. We should also be aware of the OPEC Plus meeting next week that is likely to keep existing production cuts. That will support crude prices too. Brent crude benchmark has a potential to gain to $46 per barrel. Core CPI and CPI index data for the US are also expected this week on Wednesday. This data will certainly affect market sentiment too.